Hi, I am Coach Kemi, and I have just sat in the presence of Zina Arinze of believeandliveagain.com. I'm telling you, if you do not know this woman, if you have never listened to her, if you have never gone on that website, listen to me, go on that website. If you can actually get an opportunity to sit in one of her meetings, you need to be there. Just her blogs, her video blogs are just, they're out of this world. This is a woman that has come from a place where so many end their lives. They end their future in their present. They end their present in their past. This woman has moved forward, launched out, stepped out, and she's now out of the goodness of her heart, the love in her heart. She wants to help every woman who has gone through divorce, as she has, with children, and come out on the other side. And I'm telling you, the teenagers with children are, for want of another word, phenomenal. But this woman is strong, and she will impart that strength, impart wisdom. She will give you the get up and go because you can attitude. I suggest to you, I strongly suggest to you that you get up, get to that website, believeandliveagain.com, and listen to Zina. If she has any programs, teleseminars, webinars, whatever she has going, seminars, you need to be on it. You will never, and I'm not just saying this, you will never be the same again. If you've been divorced, and I have been, you will never be the same again. Congratulations already. Thank you. Bye-bye.